YouTube, welcome back to another video. As I say in every video, y'all could be anywhere, but y'all here right now, so I appreciate y'all, every single one of y'all. And yeah, as y'all see right now, we're gonna do another music video, not a music video, but music content on this channel. As y'all saw in the last video, the live studio session with my cuz. Hope y'all enjoyed that, by the way. And get ready for a part 2 because we still need to finish that song. But yeah, coming back with y'all with actually a guitar tutorial today. So whoever plays guitar, let me know in the comments. Hope y'all learned something today. And if you don't know the guitar, and maybe you know another instrument, put that in the comments as well, because I can maybe help you with that as well. I do also play the bass and the piano, so if y'all want any piano or bass tutorials, let me know. Hit me in the comments. And click that like button if you enjoy and you want more guitar tutorials as well. I can continue teaching them because I love this thing. So yeah, and yeah, so we're gonna get right into this. As y'all see in the title, the tutorial we're doing today is Still Your Best by Giveon. Everybody knows this man, everybody loves this guy. Great R&B artist, love his music. So yeah, we're gonna learn one of his songs called Still Your Best, and I'll teach y'all the guitar tutorial. So I'm gonna play the song for y'all, the live version, and yeah, then we're gonna get right into this tutorial.
Are you serious? Are you kidding me? What's the deal? Oh no. This the one you talking about that's supposed to take my place down. Is this real? It's almost disrespectful. That's a downgrade and you know it. Still your best. Still your best.
Yeah, I can't even play the whole song for y'all, but love the song. I know y'all probably love the song too, but yeah, we're gonna get right into this tutorial on how to play it. First, before I go in depth of the chords, I'm actually, let me lower this camera a little bit, y'all, my bad. But yeah, actually I'm gonna go play this. I'm gonna play it how I play it and how I learned how to play it. And I'm gonna do it 2 ways. So I'm gonna do just the basic chords, so just regular notes, and then I'm gonna give another version with kind of a rhythm. As y'all saw, if y'all follow me on Instagram, me and my cousin actually did a cover to this. So if y'all didn't want and y'all want to watch it and how I played it, y'all go check that out. But yeah, I'll show y'all how I played it in the cover, and then I'll just show y'all how to play a regular version. So yeah, let's get right into this. So this is the regular version, no stylistic pattern, whatever. So yeah, this is the regular version. Wow, that's awkward. Didn't even have my volume up. Now we're ready. Alright, ready? So that's the regular version, and now this is the alternative way on how I usually regularly play it. So yeah, those are the 2 versions. I'll show you how to play both. Regular version, you know how to play, but I'll show you how to play my version too. So yeah, and yeah, let's get right into these chords. So yep, we're back with these chords, y'all. So let me go over what these chords are. So the first chord of this song is E flat minor 9. So E flat minor 9. So how E flat minor 9 starts is on the 6th fret, but it starts on the 5th string, which is the E flat minor note. So I'm going to show you the chord shape for E flat minor 9, but also if you know E flat minor 7, you can do that as well, which is basically like this. but I'm going to show you E flat minor 9 because that's how they do it in the song. So this is E flat minor 9. So basically how you start is you put your middle finger on the E flat note, which is the 6th fret, 2nd string, which is the A string. Then you're going to put your index finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, index finger on the D string. Now you're going to take your ring finger and put that on the G string, 6th fret. And then you're going to put your pinky, let me zoom this in a little bit more for y'all. Then you're going to put your pinky on the B string, 6th fret. And it's going to make a sound like this. So yeah, so that's the first chord, E flat minor 9. Now we're going to go into the second chord, which the second chord is B flat minor 7, which basically how you do that is you go to the 6th fret, which is this fret right here. You're going to bar this whole fret, and then you're going to take your your ring finger, and you're going to put it on the A string on the 8th fret. So yeah, so that's basically it. These two chords, which makes B flat minor 7. So now onto the next chord. Let me play those two chords for y'all real quick. So E flat minor 9, and then B flat minor 7. And now we're gonna go into B major 7, which is a major 7 chord. Which basically you go to the 7th fret, you bar the whole 7th fret, and then you're gonna make a B major chord, which basically is you put your ring finger on the A string. This is the 9th fret. Then you put your pinky right under your ring finger on the D string. And then you're going to put your middle finger on the G string, 8th fret in between. So then you get a major 7 chord, which sounds like this. So that's B major 7. And get those kind of chords down, because those are the main kind of chords in the song besides one more chord. Actually 2 more chords. But yeah, those are kind of the main chords of the song. So let's go back into those 3 chords. So B flat minor 9, B flat minor 7, B major 7, and now you're gonna go transition into a flat minor 7, which is the same shape as that B minor 7. So I'm not going to go over the chord again because you guys already know what the chord shape is, but basically do the same shape, just move it to the 4th fret, which is A flat minor 7. So, and now same chord, same shape, goes into back to that B flat minor 7. So continue with that. Let me start from the beginning. So E flat minor 9, B flat minor 7, B major 7, then A flat minor 7, and then bring that back to B flat minor 7. And now you're gonna take the next chord. You're gonna take that major chord that we did with that B, and you're gonna actually bring it to same shape into F sharp. So it's gonna be F sharp major 7, which is on the 2nd fret. So F sharp major 7. And now this is the next chord. Basically, B flat sus 4. It sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty easy. So basically kind of what we're doing with our minor, B flat minor 7, which is that. Instead of that, we're going to actually move your ring finger down 1 string, so it's going to be on that D string, and you're going to move that pinky and put that on that G string, so it's going to be 2, and then you're barring that 6th fret. So this is the B flat sus4, and then the last chord we end in a B flat 7, which basically is you move your ring finger like you are doing a B flat minor 7, which is like that, but you're adding your middle finger and you're actually putting that on the G string. So these are the 3 fingers that are on that chord, which is B flat minor 7. So yeah, those are all the chords. I'm just gonna run through it and you guys can play with me, but this is how it goes. So E flat minor 9, B flat minor 7, B major 7, A flat minor 7, B flat minor 7, F sharp major 7, B flat sus 4, and then B flat 7. So yep, those are the chords. So practice that, rewind the video if y'all want to, but yeah, practice those, get those down, and then once you get those down, play with it, and then you can go into this next step, which is how I personally play it with the finger style. So I'll show you how to play that way. So basically, let me move y'all kind of to where my fingers are. So basically how I play it is, let me zoom this in a little bit more. So basically how I play it is I go down the strings. So it's pretty simple. You're just gonna have to add on a little bit of hammer-ons. If you don't know what hammer-ons are, search up hammer-ons. There's some YouTube videos about it. It's basically you making a note by quickly putting your pinky off a string. You guys can search that, come back to the video once you guys know hammer-ons, and you can play this version. If you already know, good for you. But yeah, so basically how I play is I go down and hit every string. So starting with this B flat minor 9, I go down the strings, just simple, starting with that A string and going all the way down to that, I believe, yeah, going all the way down to that B string. So I just go down the line. And I love to, after every chord, hit the guitar. It adds rhythm to it. So, hit. So I'm continuing to go down. So now that's B flat minor 7. So I go from its root note, and I go all the way down to. So I go all the way down to the G string on my 6 string notes. So let's go back to that E flat minor 9. Same 6 string notes, so I still go down that same rhythm, end on that G note. So, and now this is where it gets kind of fun with the hammer-ons. So when I go to this A flat minor 7, I love to do the hammer-on that. I love to do the hammer-on on the G string. So let me show you how y'all do it. And while it's still ringing, I like to slide it to that B flat minor 7. So and I still do the hammer on the G string on the B flat minor 7. So and then I go to that F sharp major 7. Still do the hammer on the G string, but on the F sharp minor 7. I mean major 7. And then I go to the E, B flat sus 4. And I play those straight. So let me just run through that, and you guys can see my finger picking, and y'all can copy what it is. So I'm just gonna run it through. So that's it. That is the tutorial. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all love it. Let me know if y'all want to hear tutorials in the future, some more tutorials. Give me song suggestions in the comments and I will play it for y'all. And if y'all want to hear any covers too, as any reference of the guitar tutorial, let me know too. I'll make a cover for after that guitar tutorial gets posted. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Till next video, see y'all later. Enjoy y'all day. Peace out.